It's a great pleasure to host this workshop today as part of the UQ Centre for Enterprise AI, talking about the challenges of getting from a proof of concept to production for enterprise AI applications. We are really proud to be leading this initiative, rather this mission to bring together research, industry and government working towards enterprise AI solutions.
The event today has been a wonderful opportunity for us as researchers within the UQ Centre for Enterprise AI to showcase the wonderful work that's happening across the centre, across the academics that we have, not only from the business school but across the entire university, and our capabilities that we have to help our industry partners tackle the challenges of AI. We had a fantastic panel lineup today. We had two of our key researchers across UQ from the business school as well as from the School of Computer Science, coupled together with a representative from SAP and also a government representative as well. So we've got industry, government and our academics working together to really tackle these challenges and provide their insights and wisdom. My three key takeaways from today was, first and foremost, that there is a real appetite in industry to engage in ensuring that our proof of concepts in AI are translated at the enterprise level. Secondly, that we need the right governance that sits around there, the right regulatory environment for that to work within our organisations. And thirdly, that we do need the uplift and capability uplift in our workforces to support that ongoingly.
It's been fantastic to be involved in this important discussion on getting enterprise AI out of proof of concepts and into production as part of UQ's Centre for Enterprise AI. We had a fantastic discussion that was centred around the public sector industry. We spoke about value realisation of AI use cases. We spoke about how we bring the workforce along on the AI journey, and we spoke about how the workforce will engage with AI agents going forward. Looking forward to further collaboration as part of our research alliance on enterprise AI with the University of Queensland.